Cleaning friends, Microfiber Wholesale. Guess what goodies I got today? You're gonna love it if you're a cleaning professional. Check it out. Wait till you see what's on the other side. Let me pass it off to my assistant. Wait till you see. Okay, check this out. Customized logo cleaning cloths. And I got it in yellow as well. And they have different color cloths that you can customize with your business logo. Another thumbs up because it gets the Crunchified Clean seal of awesomeness. Yay! So check it out. These are high quality, durable microfiber cleaning cloths with my logo on it. Look at this. Look how big these are. So you can fold them in half when you have to clean your mirrors or dust or clean a surface or a counter. Fold them like an eighth or something. You can fold a lot of them. And then you can clean, and I have my logo on it so that if a client is like, wow, what a great job you did. Who are you again? I could say, look, it's Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy. Or the great part about having your logo on it, wow, look how tiny you folded it. Nice job, look at that.
So if we gotta wipe a mirror.
A mirror, that's right. And the best part that I like about having the logo on it, you fold it, there you go. What I love about having the logo on it too, you are a walking billboard with your business name on it. I feel like I'm doing a magic trick. Ta-da! Oh, it's magic. Ta-da! Look at this, Microfiber Wholesale. Look at the quality of these cloths. Very durable. Soft. Very demure. Very nice size.
And they're easy to clean.
Easy.
So if you're gonna clean them, just nice and small and make sure not to put too much.
There you go. That's what you need. Perfect. And then you scan this little barcode, which will bring you to the Microfiber Wholesale website.
So go scan it on the screen.
So yeah, check it out, Microfiber Wholesale. They make amazing cleaning cloths. You can get your business logo on it. See, it doesn't bleed through the other side. I love it. And then you just wash them. Do not use bleach on microfiber. Obviously don't use bleach, especially because it has a dye on it. And then when you dry it, do not use fabric softener. Check out my other videos on how to properly wash microfibers so that they last a long time. But Microfiber Wholesale, if you have a car detailing business, you can get your company logo written on it. It can be any type of business that you're going to use a cloth. Get your logo printed on it. And they have different color cloths too. So like, let's say you want pink or purple or blue and you have your logo, they could put it on there. So how awesome is that? So check out my link down below. When you use my link, I do earn commission and I will make some money. So that will help me out and my assistant. Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy. I love their products, love their cloths. So this is pretty cool that you can get your custom company logo written on it.